Who are you, and what does your organization represent in the context of industrial innovation?
Hello, my name is Alejandro Delgadillo. I work for ModuleWorks. At ModuleWorks, we develop software for planning of manufacturing processes. And for us, it's very important to keep innovating and keep the pace with the innovations in the industry. We play a pivotal role in the project because we are in charge of the process planning for all the additive manufacturing processes.
Why did you choose to participate in the 𝗍𝗏 project?
The 𝗍𝗏 project is a very ambitious and innovative project, and for us it was very important the fact that we want to include or incorporate sustainability into the process planning. And this is a very important factor for us and for the future.
What is your specific role within the project?
We are a company that develops software for process planning, and our role is to develop the modules that will be used for the toolpath planning for all the additive manufacturing processes in the 𝗍𝗏 project.
What excites you the most about the 𝗍𝗏 project?
One of the most exciting aspects of the project is that we are bringing together many process developers, many institutes and universities that are developing new innovative projects, and we are translating this into the industry. So we have this direct connection from research and industry in the project.
How do you imagine the future impact of 𝗍𝗏 on your organization or your sector?
In our sector, I can see the biggest impact in workforce upskilling. The development of the training materials and the AI methods that we are developing and the knowledge that we are gathering for all the different methods will play a very important role in the upskilling of workforce in the future.